YouTube, I just want to post a video. I'm getting ready for bed. It's 5:49 at night. I'm getting ready to go to bed. Because we're gonna get up at 12 o'clock a.m. Yeah, I'll post a video when I go out at 12. I'll post videos throughout the night and the day. So I'm gonna upload a few videos tonight and just stay with me. These are gonna be parts. They're not gonna be a full video. They're gonna be part 1, part 2, part 3. I don't know how many parts are gonna be. But I'll film throughout the night of plowing and stuff and shoveling. But just stick with me. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you.